Over 500 participants took part in the closing event of the 2010 European Year for Combating Poverty and Social Exclusion. All levels were represented, from government, national or regional administrations, to the grassroots level with representatives of civil society, national ambassadors of the EY 2010, people experiencing poverty and NGOs that support them, and many journalists. The aim of the conference was to review the actions to fight poverty and social exclusion that took place throughout 2010 on national and European levels.
La pauvreté, c'est l'affaire de tous, ça concerne tout le monde. Et si on veut la combattre, il faut que tout le monde retrousse ses manches. Chacun a sa petite part de responsabilité.
I think there were a lot of activities going on, which were very positive. And we have seen also that the year was an opportunity to put together actors from different fields.
Minister of State Zoltán Balog from Hungary, which will take over the EU presidency in January, underlined the importance of a continued commitment to the fight against poverty in Europe.
I think it was a very important year, and it is very important not to finish this campaign, but we need to continue it.
Employment, Social Affairs and Inclusion Commissioner Laszlo Andor said the EU and its member states must keep working to find new and more effective ways to fight poverty. This approach is reflected within the newly launched European Platform Against Poverty.
Our intention is, and now it's within the Platform Against Poverty, to develop strategies to demonstrate that there are good examples which can be followed. If we don't have a good example in a certain question, we need to produce the good example, and then others will be able to copy or follow or adapt in their own local environment.
The event has been an occasion for key actors to present and share with each other the activities undertaken within the framework of the 2010 European Year. There were 31 stands which could be visited, along a project path which had been developed according to the motto of sharing, learning and inspiring. The European Commission recognized journalistic excellence in covering poverty and social exclusion. Written and audiovisual press were rewarded. More than 1,000 entries were received from the 29 countries. The audiovisual winner of this European Year Journalist Award was a report by Teresa Herrero from Spain.
Habitualmente se habla de la pobreza y de la exclusión social como algo marginal, como algo que no tiene solución, como algo lleno de pesimismo, y sin embargo este colegio hizo que fuera realidad algo que creía todo el mundo que no podía ser, que gente marginada pudiera integrarse con normalidad, con sus costumbres y tener acceso a lo principal que tiene que tener cualquier persona, que es la educación, la cultura y las oportunidades.
Contributions from European Commission President José Manuel Barroso and President of the European Council Herman van Rompuy stressed that even though the European year is coming to an end, poverty remains at the top of the European agenda.
The European Year for Combating Poverty and Social Exclusion has served as a constant reminder that together we have the ability to build a better future.
For the first time, we have a concrete target to lift at least 20 million people from the risk of poverty and exclusion by 2020. All member states will define their own national targets, which can become catalysts for national action.
The conference ended with a Council declaration expressing member states' commitment to the fight against poverty in Europe. Pragmatic commitments have been made during the 2010 European Year of Combating Poverty, but much work remains to be done by the EU and its member states to achieve tangible results.